In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find trending topics on Instagram through Hootsuite. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to search Instagram effectively, apply the right filters for what matters, and review the trending conversations and insights that can help guide your content strategy. To begin, open Hootsuite on your computer and sign in to your account. Take a moment to make sure you are signed in successfully, because the rest of the process depends on having access to your dashboard. If you have multiple workspaces or profiles, confirm that you are using the one you intend to work from. Next, after you are logged in, select Lumen. This is where you will manage and run your discovery and search tools. If you do not see it right away, look for it in your main navigation or in the Tools section of your Hootsuite workspace. Selecting the correct area matters because it determines which panels and search features you can use. Once you have Lumen open, click on Searches. This is the section where you can create and manage search queries. You will be able to set up Instagram-focused searches that pull in recent public conversations tied to the keywords, hashtags, or topics you choose. This step is important because it turns your interests into an organized, repeatable search view. Now you will enter your Instagram keywords, hashtags, or topics into the search field. Think of this as the foundation of your discovery. You can type a keyword you care about, a specific hashtag that is relevant to your niche, or a broader topic that your audience is likely discussing. As you type, choose terms that match how people actually talk on Instagram. This helps ensure the results reflect real trends, not just vague associations. After you enter your terms, the next step is to apply filters for mentions, engagement, or trends. Look for the filtering options within the search setup. Mentions help you see how often people are talking about your topic. Engagement helps you focus on conversations that have received interaction, such as likes, comments, or other engagement signals. Trend filters help you prioritize what is gaining attention over time. Adjusting these filters is the key to getting useful results instead of overwhelming or unrelated content. When you have the filters set the way you want, select Save. Saving your search ensures that your query and settings are stored, so you can revisit them easily later. It also helps keep your workflow consistent, especially if you plan to check trends regularly or compare results over time. Now you are ready to review the trending conversations and insights. After your search is saved, go back to the Results area in the Searches view. Spend a moment scanning what appears, focusing on the items that match your filters and show the most current activity. Look at how the conversations are framed, what themes show up repeatedly, and what types of posts are performing well based on engagement indicators. This is where the value becomes clear, because the trending information helps you decide what content ideas to develop next. As you review, notice patterns rather than single posts. If certain keywords appear frequently, or if similar hashtags are tied to high engagement conversations, that is a strong signal of what your audience is paying attention to right now. Also, consider whether the insights align with your goals, such as brand awareness, community growth, or product interest. And that covers everything you need to know. You can return to your saved search anytime, adjust the filters if your goals change, and keep using the trending insights from Hootsuite to stay connected to what matters on Instagram.